In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to password protect an Excel spreadsheet so that whenever the file is opened, it asks for a password. This is quite useful, in particular when you're going to be emailing sensitive information on an Excel spreadsheet to someone, and you want to ensure that if that file is intercepted or saved somewhere else or gets in the hands of somebody who's not supposed to be having it, they are prompted with a password to open the file. So this can be done quite simply. Once you've got the Excel file open, you click on the File menu at the top here. So click on File, go down to the Info section on the left-hand side, and the first big button you'll see is called Protect Workbook. So here we're going to click on Protect Workbook, and we're going to choose the option Encrypt with the password. Click on that, and it asks you to put a password in. So I'm going to type my password in. It asks you to repeat it. Please bear in mind that there's no way to recover this password if you forget it. There's no password forget or anything else. So you do need to make sure that you keep this password somewhere that you have access to it. Okay, that is now protected, and you can see there's a little yellow box over here to demonstrate that the file has been protected. I'm now going to close the file and save it. And now when I reopen it, it pops up with the password. So I've put my password in, and the file is now open. If you'd like to remove the password, you can follow a similar process. Click on the File menu, go down to Info. There's your password. Click on the Password Protect button. Again, click Encrypt with Password. It will show you that there is a password in place. You can't see what this is. You can see how many characters long it is, but that doesn't really help you if you don't know the password. And if you want to remove the password at this stage, you just need to delete that out so it's completely blank. Click OK, and that is now removed. I'm going to close and save that file. Let's open it back up again, and there's no password, so that's gone. So this lesson has just reviewed how to add a password to an Excel file, so it's prompted when you try to open the file, and you also know how to remove a password if there is one in place.